San Antonio, a crossroads of cultures, a tapestry woven from countless threads from across the Mexican border and beyond.
Oh, queso fundido, ¿no?
¿Habla español?
Poquito.
Es un queso de Oaxaca con chorizo fundido, con rajas y con unas tortillas deliciosamente hechas a mano. Está delicioso, te va a encantar.
Yo invitarte de cumpleaños mis amigos, mis tíos, hasta el gato. I know very little Spanish, yet I love the language, so I'm going to throw out what I know, even if it rambles and it doesn't make any sense, okay? Y yo no tengo tiempo para eso. Come on, look at that pull, baby. Look at that pull. Just keeping it real for you, San Antonio. In English or in Spanish. This is delicious. Muy bien.
La Gloria, the glory. The name itself is a bold statement, a challenge, a promise. This isn't just another eatery. It's a sanctuary where each dish is an ode to a culture that refuses to be forgotten.
Chef Johnny owns a bunch of great restaurants throughout San Antonio, and each one has a theme attached to it. The one I went to is Day of the Dead, and you can feel the love, the care, the authenticity. It's in the food, it's in the environment, and it is certainly in the chef, Chef Johnny. I gotta use the joke. It's so nice to meet you. Come on. All right, tell me, what are we looking at here? This looks like heaven.
Oh, it's a little bit of heaven for sure. La Gloria means the heaven.
It does?
Yes.
I had no idea.
Yes.
See?
You know, live fire is a very, it is a very traditional way of cooking through Mexico. Everything about our restaurant is inspired by Mexico. We have some beautiful chicken, some pork ribs, a signature of the north. We have a cabrito. And then we have chorizo verde there on the end, and then beef sauce.
And is this an everyday thing here at Gloria?
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes,
So you
it
didn't
is.
just do this for me. I mean, this is... All right, chef. Put me to work.
Cecina is a dried, cured beef. What we do is thinly slice it,
Yeah.
salt it, and cure it. It is a technique that the Spanish brought to Mexico.
This reminds me of like Korean barbecue.
Yep,
I
yep.
mean, just
yep.
right, but you would never do this at the table. This is so hot.
It's a quick on and off.
Oh, yeah,
It's a quick on and off. It's very thin, but it is a flavorful cut of meat.
Let me try and flip
Yeah,
this.
yeah, you got it.
Love it.
Yeah.
All right, so how hot are these chilies?
You know, jalapenos are unpredictable. Sometimes they can be mild, sometimes they can hurt you.
I mean, that's what you hear. Take the seeds out, take the ribs out.
The seeds, the ribs, for sure.
And then you can peel the skin off once you've
Yep.
sort of blistered it, right?
For sure.
I'm learning from you chefs. See, I used the word blister, rib. I know what I'm doing. The ceviche station looked incredible. Freshest ingredients you can find already. The ceviche verde that I got to make and put my name on it, incredible.
I have 2 scoops of your ceviche verde mix.
Okay.
Now you're gonna take your tablespoon, and
Yeah.
that is a sauce that we make in-house. Set up a little bit more, and then we're gonna add in our tilapia.
2 spoons.
Yes, sir.
Ceviche con Grunberg. And I was so proud of it, I couldn't wait to serve it. I had to come over and say hello. I'm Greg.
I'm Erica.
Nice to meet you. How are you? Love your hat. So this is ceviche verde
Okay.
con Grunberg. I actually made this with chef. Have you ever had this before?
I need to get a picture of it if you don't mind.
Oh,
We're
you've
here
been
for
to this
grand
restaurant
opening.
before and you've never had this.
Let's try it.
Come on.
Yes. It's my new favorite dish now.
I know. The food here is incredible.
It is.
I'm excited to see what else comes to San Antonio because it's dishes like this.
Well,
'cause
you
it's-
can't get
it's-
this anywhere
It's
else.
customized.
I prepared this for you. You said this is your favorite thing?
It is
You're gonna
now.
have Chef Johnny's gonna have to prepare this for you. It's not
The
gonna be the
olives.
same.
I'm like, so why can't you come back and make this for us?
Deal.
Okay.
He better get over here because I'm about to dive in, man. Oh, I wish you could smell what I smell right now. Chef, this is incredible.
We wanted a feast for you.
I don't know if we're going to be needing these
Well, you
or
know,
needing those.
well, just in case.
When chefs sit down, is it a sign of respect? Is it just the way it is? You use your hands
Part of our DNA. It's what we love. We work with our hands and we love to create.
These are works of art. I really truly believe that. I dine with some people that will say, I need the meat, no spice on it, no nothing. Does it bother you when people ask, muchas gracias? Oh, okay, I did it.
You're a local.
Take me around the table.
This is a mole negro from Oaxaca. We put a little bit of roasted plantains in there, some nuts, right? Garlic, tomatillos, aromatics. But there's a little char flavor to that.
There's a lot going on in my mouth right now.
Yeah, a lot of complexity, sesame seeds.
As rich and dark, there's also such a freshness to it.
It's very striking, when you think of sauces in the U.S.
And I'm not eating alone, chef. You got to join me here.
Hey, you're my guest.
Tell me about this.
So enchiladas, right? So mild, a little bit of crema, right? A little bit of crema, a little bit of fried leeks. So you got layers of flavors here.
Okay, that's my favorite so far.
Is
that one of your favorites?
Yes. Yeah, you have my two favorites here. We have 8 different kinds of enchiladas. Sauces are the star. And I think it's a signature of San Antonio. It's a signature of our heritage. And locals love it and visitors.
Just say gringos. You're allowed to say it. The enchilada plate looks like a piece of art. I would hang that on the wall, and then I would eat it. It was so delicious. I wanted to dive in, but I had the chef make me a taco. I mean, I'm no dummy. Make me an incredible taco. This is an honor.
Okay.
But I'll help you.
I'll tell you what. Try our ribs.
Can I put this in the taco?
Yes, put it on there, and then I'll give you a little bit of pico.
Oh.
A little bit of the fried onion.
Oh, yeah.
With my hands, of course.
Please, do it.
A little bit of the jalapeno. I want you to dig into that rib and try that rib, and then I'm fixing you a cabrito taco.
Can't describe how delicious his food is. You have to try it. You have to experience it.
I'm gonna make you a taco of cabrito, one of our signatures of northern Mexico.
And this was on the spit earlier?
Yes. Look at that. Cabrito.
Look at that. Oh. Every ingredient matters. He hand selects everything, as all great chefs do. But then he's got the bar. They're famous for their margaritas. 6 years in a row, they have won Best Margarita in San Antonio. Like, I could come here every night of the week and order something different and taste something different.
Yes.
Put that sauce on everything that you offer.
You're gonna have to come back for the other ones then.
Exactly. All right, I want to talk about the drinks. I want to talk about this margarita, but I want to make some drinks with you.
Oh, man.
Can we do that?
Let's do it.
Let's jump to the bar.
The reason we're famous for margaritas is because we love great tequila. And this is a single barrel, top shelf margaritas, La Gloria.
It says the name of the restaurant right on the bottle. The tequila is also hand selected. They make it for Chef Johnny. What if people want to buy this? Oh, I love it! I love it! Don't give it up! No, you gotta come to the restaurant to have it.
We're gonna have one for you, but
thank you. I'll take one home. They make it for La Gloria. By the way, he was supposed to give me a bottle. I didn't get a bottle. Hey, chef, send me a bottle. All right, let's taste it.
All right. So this is our Katrina Margarita, but you give her a taste.
Oh man! Cheers. Salud. This is really good. You have to try this. So everybody that comes in, they're getting a margarita. La Gloria is La Glorious. Culture, art, food, all rolled into one delicious burrito. Yes, I pronounced it like that. Okay, I know my gringo is showing. I'm keeping it real. What are you gonna do about it? I'm looking around, incredible art, statues and movable statues, giant metal puppets, and these giant heads painted beautifully by local artists. Beautiful restaurant. You go down and you get these heads. In Mexico, you come back and you have local artists paint them.
I meet these wonderful people, not only the cooks and the chefs and the doñas who make these sauces and moles and salsas, but over many years of travel, I've seeked out artisans to make our china, the table, these chairs, the calaveras, the skulls. We have the artisans make the vessel in Mexico, and then the local artists paint it here.
So what is it like at the border when you get stopped and they say, "What's in the truck?" and you say, "Oh, it's just filled with Mexican heads"?
So I used to take my van down there, but now it's a trailer.
I mean, it must be a trailer.
We are the only city in America, I like to say, that not only have World Heritage missions, we are a city of gastronomy, and our cuisine is a UNESCO city of gastronomy. And then we are also have these cultural celebrations that are part of preservation.
When you think food brings back memories, it brings back the love you have for each other, and also to be able to show people your culture through food.
We've been a cultural city, but now I believe that we're really standing out from many cities across America for our cuisine.
Absolutely. I mean, Houston, Dallas, what? San Antonio's where it's at, man.
It's here.
That's why I keep coming back. That's why I love Visit San Antonio. I just love everything that we're doing to try and showcase this beautiful city. Thank you for having me.
Keep it spicy, keep it honest, keep it real. This is Keeping It Real with Greg Grunberg, signing off from the heart of Texas, South Texas, where every meal tells a story and every story deserves to be savored.